What if your bathroom could become the healthiest room in your home with just a few beautiful plants? Most people think bathrooms are too dark or too humid for houseplants. But the truth is, many tropical plants absolutely thrive in these conditions. The warm steam from your shower creates the perfect environment for lush green foliage that looks like it belongs in a luxury spa. These plants don't just add beauty, they can also help freshen the air, reduce stress, and make your daily routine more relaxing. Whether your bathroom has a sunny window or only a little natural light, there's a perfect plant waiting for that space. Today, we're counting down 10 amazing bathroom plants that love humidity and are surprisingly easy to care for. Stay until the end because our final plant is one of the toughest, most beautiful humidity-loving plants you can grow indoors. Number 1. Boston Fern, the classic bathroom plant. The Boston Fern is one of the best plants you can place in a humid bathroom. In nature, these graceful ferns grow beneath tropical forest canopies, where the air is constantly moist. Bathroom humidity keeps their delicate fronds lush and vibrant, while reducing the crispy brown leaf tips that often appear in dry homes. Place your fern near a bright window with indirect sunlight for the best results. Keep the soil evenly moist but never soggy. If your bathroom receives morning sunlight, this plant will reward you with thick, arching fronds that create a peaceful spa-like atmosphere. Feed it once a month during spring and summer with a balanced liquid fertilizer. Avoid direct afternoon sunlight because it can scorch the leaves. With proper humidity, Boston Fern becomes one of the easiest and most rewarding bathroom plants you can grow. Number 2. Peace Lily, elegant and easy. Peace lilies thrive in humid environments and are famous for their glossy green leaves and elegant white flowers. Steam from daily showers helps keep the leaves healthy and encourages lush growth. They perform well in medium to low light, making them perfect for bathrooms with smaller windows. Water only when the top inch of soil begins to dry, as they prefer slightly moist soil but dislike standing water. Wipe the leaves occasionally to remove dust so they can absorb light efficiently. During the growing season, feed every 6 weeks with a balanced fertilizer. Peace lilies also signal when they need water by gently drooping, making them easy for beginners. Their graceful appearance instantly transforms an ordinary bathroom into a relaxing indoor oasis that feels calm, fresh, and inviting every day. Number 3. Spider plant, tough and beautiful. Spider plants are incredibly adaptable and love humid air. Their long, arching leaves and baby plantlets create a beautiful cascading effect on shelves or hanging baskets. Bathrooms provide the extra moisture these plants appreciate, helping reduce brown leaf tips. Spider plants tolerate lower light levels but grow fastest in bright, indirect light. Water whenever the top inch of soil dries out, and avoid overwatering. These plants are forgiving if you occasionally forget to water them. They grow quickly and produce plenty of baby plants that you can easily propagate and share with friends. Trim away old brown leaves to keep the plant looking fresh and encourage new growth. Their resilience makes spider plants one of the easiest choices for anyone wanting a lush bathroom without spending much time on maintenance. Number 4. Orchid loves warm humidity. Many orchids naturally grow on trees in humid tropical forests, making bathrooms surprisingly perfect for them. Warm steam provides the humidity they crave, while helping aerial roots stay healthy. Place your orchid near a bright window where it receives filtered sunlight. Avoid direct midday sun because it can damage the delicate flowers and leaves. Water about once a week, allowing excess water to drain completely. Never let the roots sit in standing water. Fertilize monthly using orchid fertilizer during active growth. Good air circulation is still important, so occasionally leave the bathroom door open after showers. With proper care, orchids reward you with stunning blooms that can last for several months. Their elegant flowers instantly add a luxurious, hotel-style feel to your bathroom decor. Number 5. Pothos. Nearly impossible to kill. Pothos is one of the most beginner-friendly houseplants you can own. It thrives in humid bathrooms, where its vines grow longer and fuller than in dry rooms. This plant tolerates low light, but develops faster growth and brighter leaf colors in bright, indirect light. Water when the soil becomes mostly dry, and always use a pot with drainage holes. Trim the vines regularly to encourage bushier growth, or let them trail beautifully from shelves. Pothos is also easy to propagate by rooting stem cuttings in water. The added bathroom humidity encourages healthy new leaves and vigorous growth throughout the year. Whether you choose golden pothos, marble queen, or neon pothos, this versatile plant brings vibrant greenery to bathrooms of almost any size. Number 6. Calathea, the prayer plant. Calatheas are famous for their stunning patterned leaves, but they often struggle in dry indoor air. Bathrooms solve that problem by providing the humidity they naturally require. Their colorful foliage stays vibrant when humidity remains consistently high. Place calatheas in bright, indirect light and keep the soil evenly moist without becoming waterlogged. Using filtered or distilled water helps prevent brown leaf edges caused by minerals in tap water. Avoid direct sunlight, which can fade their beautiful leaf patterns. These plants even move their leaves throughout the day, folding them upward at night like hands in prayer. Their unique appearance makes them excellent focal points in modern bathrooms. With steady moisture and warm humidity, Calatheas reward growers with some of the most decorative foliage found among houseplants. Number 7. Bird's Nest Fern, Tropical Beauty. Unlike many ferns with delicate fronds, Bird's Nest Fern produces broad, wavy leaves that create a bold, tropical look. It naturally grows in humid rainforests and absolutely loves bathroom conditions. Place it where it receives filtered light and avoid direct afternoon sun. Water around the soil rather than directly into the center crown, which can cause rot. Keep the soil lightly moist while allowing slight drying between waterings. Bathroom humidity helps the leaves stay glossy and prevents crispy edges. Fertilize lightly every month during spring and summer for healthy growth. Bird's Nest Fern requires very little maintenance compared to many other ferns, making it a fantastic choice for beginners seeking a dramatic, tropical statement. Number 8. Bamboo Palm Fresh Tropical Vibes. Bamboo palm brings instant tropical elegance to bathrooms with enough space. It enjoys warm temperatures and high humidity, producing lush green fronds that soften any interior. Bright filtered light works best, although it tolerates lower light reasonably well. Water when the top inch of soil feels dry, and avoid letting the pot sit in water. Rotate the plant every few weeks so all sides receive equal light and maintain symmetrical growth. Feed monthly during the growing season, using a balanced fertilizer. Regular humidity from showers helps prevent brown leaf tips and supports vigorous new growth. Bamboo palm creates a peaceful resort-like atmosphere that makes every bathroom feel more luxurious and relaxing. Number 9. Chinese Evergreen. Perfect for low-light bathrooms. Chinese Evergreen is one of the easiest plants for bathrooms with limited natural light. Its colorful leaves come in shades of green, silver, pink, and red, adding vibrant color without requiring much maintenance. High humidity encourages healthy foliage and reduces leaf damage. Allow the top inch of soil to dry before watering again, and avoid excessive moisture around the roots. This plant tolerates occasional neglect, making it perfect for busy households. Bright, indirect light enhances leaf color, but it also adapts well to lower light bathrooms. Wipe the leaves occasionally to keep them glossy and improve light absorption. Chinese Evergreen grows slowly but steadily, providing year-round beauty with very little effort. Number 10. Snake Plant. The Humidity Survivor. Snake plant is famous for surviving almost anywhere, including humid bathrooms. Unlike many succulents, it adapts surprisingly well to occasional bathroom humidity, as long as the soil dries between waterings. Its upright architectural leaves complement modern bathroom decor, while requiring very little maintenance. Place it near a window with bright, indirect light, although it also tolerates lower light conditions. Water only when the soil becomes completely dry to prevent root rot. Overwatering is the biggest mistake people make with snake plants. Because of its toughness and striking appearance, this plant is perfect for beginners who want beautiful greenery without constant care. It remains attractive throughout the year and fits beautifully into small bathrooms where space is limited. Bonus bathroom plant tips. Even humidity-loving plants need proper care. If your bathroom has no windows, use a quality LED grow light for 8 to 12 hours daily. Always choose pots with drainage holes to prevent root rot. Keep leaves clean by wiping away dust every few weeks so they can absorb more light. Rotate your plants regularly for even growth and remove yellow or damaged leaves to encourage healthy new foliage. Don't overcrowd your bathroom. Good air circulation helps prevent fungal problems. If humidity becomes excessive, occasionally open the bathroom door or run an exhaust fan after showers. Grouping plants together also creates a naturally humid microclimate that benefits tropical species. Now you know the 10 best bathroom plants that absolutely love humidity and can transform an ordinary bathroom into a relaxing tropical retreat. Whether you choose the graceful Boston Fern, the elegant peace lily, or the nearly indestructible snake plant, you'll enjoy healthier plants with less effort thanks to your bathroom's natural humidity. Which of these beautiful plants is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your indoor garden. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest indoor plant guides, care tips, and growing secrets. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy planting!